Alright, today we'll be talking about natural logarithms. Now, natural logarithms are log base e of x, and that's just natural logarithm. Okay, and the natural logarithm of e is 1, e to the natural log of x is x, and natural log of e to the x is just x. Okay, because these two will cancel each other out, whether they're in each other's exponent or whether they're just being an operation done on them. Now, a cool thing to know, and this is important for calculus, is that if you wanted to change a number like 2 to the x to a number with an e in it, because in calculus we actually have to use a lot of differentiation and integrals with respect to e to the x. Okay, you can change 2 to the x to e to the x times the natural log of 2, and it's actually a lot easier to do some integration and some differentiation in calculus this way. So here's the idea of stretching forward to what we're going to need to know. Okay, now the big reason why natural logarithms are used are in calculus. It's really easy to calculate e to the x and do differentiations and integrals of it. But down here, it's just in pre-calculus, it's which one's your cup of tea. Are you using e or using 10 to the power of 10? You know, it's just some crazy stuff just to work with. So you can actually solve a lot of these problems. Like, for example, 6 to the let's say 6 to the x equals 72. You could solve this with common log. So you could do, well, it would be x times the log of 6 equals the log of 72, or you can use the natural log. And so it would be, you would do the natural log to both sides. So it would be x times the natural log of 6, which equals the natural log of 72. Either way, you're going to get the same type of answer. So x equals the log, common log of 72 divided by the common log of 6. Okay, and then this one right here, x equals the natural log of 72 divided by the natural log of 6. Okay, and you're going to get the same answer either way, because amazingly enough, they do work out this way. Okay, but once again, like I said, natural logarithms really are more preferred in calculus than in pre-calc, but it's, you know, it's kind of like 6 in one, a half dozen in the other. It's you pick your own choice of what you want to do with it. Okay. All right, now when working with this stuff, just remember, if you're working with a simple one where you have e to the x power, so like if you have e to the, let me see, e to the 3x equals 42. Okay, now in this one you would use natural log. You have no other choice. If you use common log, you're just going to be stuck spinning your wheels. So that would be natural log of e to the 3x equals the natural log of 42. Okay, now what's going to happen is these two are going to cancel out. I'm left with 3. I'm going to be left with 3x equals the natural log of 42. Okay, and then I just divide both sides by 3. So x equals parentheses natural log of 42 divided by 3. Okay. All right, so something as simple as that. All right, now graphing this, once again, use Desmos, use Desmos, use Desmos. It's a beautiful thing to work with. It just helps out amazingly. And remember to use inequalities. Be careful to pay attention to what the inequality is doing, and be careful to pay attention to the overlap. Okay, but that's it for natural logarithms in pre-calculus B. I will talk to you later. Bye.